Hey guys, welcome back to RSN Trade Breakdowns. So in this channel I would be breaking down all the trades which I take, the logic behind taking it, the whole thought process and the strategy behind taking the trades. So today we took two trades in gold, back-to-back trades. One hit our SL. It didn't hit my SL, but I exited at a loss early, and the other one hit my TP. So we will be talking more about both the trades. So firstly, starting with our longer time frame analysis, gold was obviously on a bullish trend, so I was looking for buys. You can see that price had created these multiple 4-hour fair value gaps, which further gives us that confirmation that price is only gonna go up. So in the shorter time frame, I was looking for trades in the buy side, and today I couldn't trade the London session. That's why I'm trading the right now the New York session is happening, and I'm trading that. And I'm also trying to trade scalp trades for now, because I feel that I can get in and out of the trades pretty quickly as a scalper rather than a normal intraday trader where you might have to sit in the trade for maybe a couple of hours or so, or even maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, etc. So today was my first try of doing scalp trading, and in scalping I believe strategies should mainly be based on liquidity sweeps, because it's there's no time to actually build a strategy or for people to react to a strategy, as in scalps trades happen in a jiffy, right? So in scalping I just use a simple liquidity sweep strategy. So talking about the first two trades, I was in the market around this time, around 8:30 p.m. IST, and here the London session starts. Sorry, the New York session starts at 6:30 p.m. IST, and I marked these two zones. I felt like this was a POI, a point of interest, from which price reversed, and this was another POI from which price reversed. And around this point, I saw this candle, and I felt that it was rejecting from this whole area, and that entire liquidity that's there in this area. So I placed a market execution order, due to which I got the slippage, and I pressed my SL right above the swing high, which is above here, and my 1:2 hour as I usually do. But what I noticed was price immediately started to react back, and that's when I quickly exited the trade. I think I made around 6 or 0.7% loss rather than a 1% loss, because I was sure that it would go and hit my SL, as price wasn't respecting this liquidity which is there here. But eventually it did go and hit my TP, as you can see, without hitting my SL. But yeah, these are learnings which you should take from trading, that once you enter a trade, maybe you just should just stick into it, rather than exiting early or things like that. But that's fine. I exited that at around 0.6% loss. And then the next trade which I entered was immediately after this. I saw that price broke this low, and again, since my the longer time frame bias was bullish, I was just hoping for this to become a liquidity sweep so that I could go and place a buy order. And like I wanted, price just gave me a confirmation with this green candle. I entered, the SL was the swing low, and my risk to reward is a 1:2 like I usually do. And right now, as you can see, it's still going up. It's almost reached 3.75, and it might even go higher. But these are things which you shouldn't look. You should always stick to your trading plan and your psychology. And for me, my trades are most of the times a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So these were my two trades in today in the gold pair and the New York session. Thank you.